Hello friends, in this video let us see about SCORM, Content Management System in Moodle. SCORM refers to Shareable Content Object Reference Model. SCORM activities are used for presenting multimedia content and animation, and it is also used as an assessment tool. SCORM activities generally include questions with grades being recorded in the gradebook. Similar to our IMS, Scrum also provides a rich content management model with an additional benefit of adding an assessment tool to our content. The steps for creating the content management are similar to our IMS. We are having the 4 steps for creating Scrum content management tool. We need to download E-learning software from the internet, create a content. It can be in Word, image or video format. Using the software, you have to save the file, but this time we have to export as Scrum extension. The output of a saved file will be in zip format. Once you save the file, then you have to upload this zip file in Scrum file uploader section. Now let me open my exe software. In my previous video, we have already seen the e-learning content which are created for data structures. Unit 1, I am having an e-learning content for the introduction for the C program, and I am having the second section as an video embedded for structure for a C program. So let us extend the same project by adding an assessment tool and make it as a Scrum content management tool. So for this you have to add a new page. So click on add page. So under add page you have to rename. So I am giving it as assessment. Rename the new page as assessment. Click OK. So this assessment section, it is going to show me the Scrum quiz. So for that you have to come down to iDevices. Under iDevices, come down, you can see the Scrum quiz. So select this Scrum quiz. Give a title for the Scrum quiz. So I am giving the title as data structure quiz. Then start typing your questions. Okay, so click on the questions. You can see the text box getting open. You can directly type the question, or if you are having the questions saved in your Word file, copy the question, paste it inside the text box, then go to the options, click on the first option, paste your first option. If you want to if you are having multiple options, select the add option. So inside the second option, paste your second option. Paste it. I am having the third option also. Copy your third option, paste it. You have to select your correct option. For example, option number 2 is the correct answer. So select your correct option. So here in the right hand side, you have to select a correct option. After giving the correct option, you have to give a pass rate. So minimum pass rate is 50%. If you want to add another question, you can select add another question. You can add another question. This is question number 2. So question number 2, add another question. Copy the question. copy the question, give us question number 2. In the option, copy the option, or else you can type the options, go for the another option, copy the another option, copy the another option, select the correct answer, correct option as the answer. Fine. So like this, if you wanted to have a true or false question, you can go to the I devices. Under I devices, under interactive activities, you can add the true or false question. So true or false question, you can type the instructions here. What and all instruction you want to give to the students, you can type it here. Then copy the true or false question. Copy the question. Copy the question. It can be either true or it can be false. So you select the right answer. The answer for this question is true. If you want to add some hint so that the students can identify the answer easily, you can add the hint under hint description. After completing everything, you can give save or the tick mark button as done button. So you can see the two questions, multiple choice questions, and there is a true or false questions. So there are two activities which are created. One is here a multiple choice question, another one is here true or false question. And I wanted to add one more activity as an interactive video activity. Okay, so for that you can go to the I devices, under interactive activities, expand the interactive activities, select your interactive video. Okay, select your interactive video. Say for example, if you have your own video in YouTube or in your local file, you can select that video, and in between the video you can ask some questions to the students so that we can test their understandability level. So for example, I am having an YouTube video. So select your YouTube video, uh, open your YouTube page, copy your YouTube URL, paste paste your URL. It is asking me to save the project, so I'm saving the project. Interactive, go to the interactive video, select the YouTube, copy the YouTube video URL. Then you have to edit the video, so open the editor and start adding the interaction. So click on the editor button. So inside the editor button you can see your video getting played. Play the video and check where you want to have your question. For example, I can ask the question at 0.42 seconds, because in 0.42 I am starting with the second topic. So at exactly 0.42 you can start asking a question. For that you can create a slide for asking question. So you can select the plus button here, which is for creating a slide. So it will start at 0.42, that is at 42nd second. 42nd second your video will stop and the student will be getting a question to answer. Fine. So you can have a simple test, or you can have a single choice as a question, or you can have a multiple choice as a question, or you can ask the student to fill in the blanks. Fine. So I wanted to have a multiple choice question. Okay, exactly I want to start it at, let me say, 43. At 0.43 second my video will be paused and I will be getting a question to answer. So the question is, how many types of arrays are there? So this is my question, and the answer, as it is a multiple choice question, there are 6 options available, maximum 6 options are available. So I am giving it as 1 dimensional, 2 dimensional, 3 dimensional. I am giving the answers, choices. I am giving the choices. The fourth choice can be a nil. Then you have to create the file. Okay. You have to select the correct answer. Okay, there are 3 types of arrays are available, 3 types available. So select the right answer. Choose your right answer, create slide, then accept, then you have to save. So this file was created, save it. It is successfully saved. Then click on the exit button. You have to save your interactive video question. You have to give done. Let us check our interactive video. Click on the start. So what is the array? So let us go to 0.42. So at exactly at 0.42 my video got paused and I am getting a question to be answered. So if I select the right answer and check, I am getting the right as answer. Fine. So this is an interactive video wherein you can test the student assessment. Similarly, you can test this also. What are the different types of linkages available? I am selecting the right answer, and if I give submit button, my score is 100%. Fine. I have created my SCORM content management module. Now I have to save it. Don't give a save. You can save as. So where you want to save, uh, choose that position, choose that corresponding package, save. After saving it, now you have to export as SCORM. So the SCORM package is successfully saved. Now you have to export it. Wait for some time until the package is saved successfully. Now go to file, export, go to educational standard. You are going to export as SCORM 2004. So export as SCORM 2004. So give as yes. So it is asking me where to save. So save your file under the corresponding folder. Click save. So once you save, automatically the SCORM will get saved as zip. You can see ds-scrom new.zip. Now go to your Moodle. Under my fundamentals of data structures in C course, under topic 2, I am going to create a SCORM. So ensure whether your editing is on, then select add an activity or resource. I am going to select the SCORM activity. So the SCORM will come under activities. Click add, give a name for the activity, give a name for the activity, general name for the activity, Then under the file selection, you can drag and drop your file. You can drag and drop your file. Drag and drop it. Maximum 500 MB of content can be uploaded both in IMS and in Scrum. Maximum file uploading size is 500 MB. So once the file is uploaded, you can see under your home page file, under your root directory file, you can see your ds-scrom new.zip. So where you want to place your scrom, you want to have it in the current page or in the new window. I wanted to have it in the current page. How many attempts you want to have, how long you want to make the assessment available. If you want to close it tomorrow itself, means you can set the time limit. And grading, how the grading is done. The grading is done for 100 marks, that is the maximum for 100 marks. Or you want to go for average grade, sum of grade. I am going for the highest grade. Then attempt management. For example, you want to go for only one attempt. The student can take only one attempt, means select the one attempt. Or if you want to go for two attempt. Or if you want to give the option of unlimited attempt, go for it. That's all. Compatibility setting. Everything should be selected as no. If you want to give us auto commit as yes, you can go for yes. Then at last, give save and display. Save your work and display. Let us see how it is displayed. So once you save, this is how you will be getting for ds-scrom. Click on the enter mode. So you can see the first data structures, unit 1. So under unit 1, I am having the syllabus. Under introduction to C program, I am having the structure of C program. Under videos, I am having the video for the C program structure. Below the video, I am having the assessment. So I am having the assessment, the first multiple choice question followed by the true or false question and my interactive video. Okay, for example, you can give like you can select the choice, you can submit the answer. It is like 50% because the for the second question the answer is option number 1. Then for the true or false question, the answer is true. Play your interactive video. Let us start playing the video. So at 0.442,
dimensional array.
so exactly at 0.42 seconds, my video is stopped and I am getting a question to be answered. Okay, so select the correct answer, check your answer is right. Then you can start playing the video. That's all about your Scrum. So the main difference between IMS and Scrum is that IMS allows you to create a static content management module, wherein in Scrum it will give you an interactive assessment based content management system. Thank you.